Hello and welcome to CB200 5-minute focus. In this video we're looking at the cable routing for the clutch. So I've always had a problem finding good reference material for cable routing. So in this series we're going to look at a number of the cables and cover them on an individual basis. So starting with the clutch. So we go from the clutch housing down here, we come out. Some bikes are fitted with a cable clamp here, which we'll look at in a second. Comes through another cable clamp here and then goes through the forks, up through the top handlebar guide and then across to the handlebar lever. So down here we have obviously the clutch attachment point, which we'll not cover in this video. We then go through its adjustment down the bottom here. The cable then comes up, and on some bikes there is in fact a cable retention clip here. It attaches from the vent tube at the back there and comes out. I'll include a photo of it here. Now I've not got one of those and still looking for one, but it will be held in this position up here. It then goes through this cable clamp here and then goes up through the forks. So the clutch cable continues up through the forks, and this is really great with the front bowl removed. Comes through from that clamp, through behind and in front of the throttle cable. There's the throttle cable there, which we'll look at in another video. Up here, goes through the handlebar clamp here and then straight across to the clutch lever, and there's another adjustment point on there. So there you are, that's the cable routing for the Honda CB200 clutch cable.